No man, Mapakania, yazi ndiyayicinga le way. I feel like we are ready now for umdlalo wakule veki lesiya kuyo, laa mdlalo omkhulu ekhaleni knockout final phakathi kwe-Orlando Pirates neMaromo Gallants. I feel like iMaromo Gallants ingaza nangomso actually, because if I feel confident in mna, how much more are the players feeling? How much more is their confidence levels if mna ndifila confidence? Because we've won 2 warm-up games, 2-0 against the Chippa, 2-0 against the Durban City. Same scoreline with different challenges. The challenges I'm talking about is that by Chippa, yaza nengqondo yodlala low block, yaza nengqondo yodlala defensive. And then kumatch namhlanje apho sinqobe khona ngo-2-0 ku-Durban City, I'm sure sonke sibonile amajita found it difficult to settle into the game yabo, because bebenza impazamo ezininzi eback kwisiqingatha sokuqala. But nonetheless, kwi-matches zoyi-2 with their challenges, amajita found a way to get to the back of the net yabo. And what makes me confident enough is the depth we have, because I'm glad but the impact players are fulfilling their description of being impact players by having an impact on the game yabo. Officially we are ready man, siyilungele finally yakule veki zayo neMaromo Gallants. Ingaza nangomso actually, sawukhawuleza siyiqukumbele ngoku or kanjani mapha. Andiyazi noba ndim lalo ugagamelayo na, but na I feel ready.